The diesel generator has a rated power of 275 kW to 120 kilowatts. It's powered by Perkins 2506C15 Cat 1 engine. The alternator is matched with Stanford S5 Lid C41 with H-class insulation. The generator's key electrical components use full copper materials, engineered with a windproof and rainproof enclosure. Its versatile design makes it ideal for multiple fields. Emergency power backup for commercial buildings, hospitals, and data centers. Primary power supply for construction sites and mining. Juan Generator is an OEM factory. Welcome to visit our factory.